How are you, ladies and gentlemen? I wanted to talk to you about what Mr. NBB333 caught. And if you notice, this is the stereo head camera. Now, what he caught here was very unique, because what we're showing you right now is that the camera was switched around. In other words, they rotated the satellite. And we'll teach you about that. Notice the object here, and this is the occult. The occult is here. Notice the occult is here. The occult is what covers the camera and protects it from the sun. Protects the lens from the sun. Now, you see that little object right here? They really went out of their way to do this. Now, if you notice the three little dots, those are all the same stars. See the same stars right here? Okay. That means they closed and shut the shutter 3 times. Notice 324 when they started to rotate the camera. And then it was 324:24 when they ended the cycle of the camera. And then took this picture. They didn't take this picture down. I don't know why they didn't do it, but they didn't do it. So they shut the shutter 3 times, and they wound up with this picture. But in this picture, the occult is covering that little object right there. You understand? It's a game they're playing. They're playing this game. And that's what's going on. They're playing a little game, and we know they're playing a game. Notice the dots. That tells you they open and close the shutter. It's like a camera. When you take a picture of someone and they're moving, you see that streak. Well, they open the lens 3 times. And they wound up with this picture. They wanted the occult, the handle on the occult, to cover that object, because you can see it's not there. And then this became wider. They really went out of their way to cover this up, which makes me figure out that they're covering up something. So just so you know, when you look at these pictures and you see 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, they're actually shutting and closing the camera, adjusting the satellite, spinning it on its axis, trying to use the occult to cover whatever they want. Well, from me to you, be aware, wake up.
Oi, 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 oi.